Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany and if you're new here, hello, welcome. So I had less than 15 minutes to get ready for Halloween last night, so I thought I would give those transfers a go. I bought them last year and they were about £1. So they're just like the tattoo transfers that you get for kids. So you peel off, you cut out the shape of the image that you want. You peel off the plastic film. I used a beauty sponge soaked in water to sponge over that paper, and then you gently peel off or slide down a little bit and then peel off the transfer, the backing, and you have your transfer. I was really impressed. I think they were pretty cool. So I carried on and cut out all of the bits that I wanted. So I had one around my neck, which I placed under my neck crease. We'll get by the fact that I said neck crease. And as I was peeling that off, I hadn't got the last little bit wet enough, so I just went in and soaked that a little bit more. So you've just got to be careful that you transfer it on nicely, and give it a little pat with a wet sponge just to pat it down a little bit, and then air dry it just for a few seconds. So I put another one on my face, one on my forehead, and two either side of my mouth. They're super easy and they look really cool. I loved them. So simple, so quick, and when you don't have very long, then these are ideal. I still had to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Blended that out. I popped a little bit of concealer on my eyes because I was putting eyeshadow on my eyes and underneath my eyes. Obviously these transfers need to go on clean dry skin, so I hadn't put a base on at all. I'm going in with a little bit of highlighter. This is the BH Cosmetics highlighter in Double Up, which is a slightly bluey tinge to it, or purpley tinge. I think it's bluey tinge. And then just contouring a little bit with a bronzer or a contour shade. I think this was the Rimmel one. This is the James Charles and Morphe palette. First going in with Punch Me, and then that's just in the crease and blending it up. Then I'm going in with You're Kidding, and that's going in the crease and all over the lid. And then I think I go into Mary, so I wanted like reddish toned colours just to make my eyes look infected and nasty and gross and all that good stuff. I was taking my 8-year-old trick-or-treating. I didn't want to be too scary looking. So yeah, so I just went with this. So just making sure that my eyes looked nice and red and infected. And then after I'd gone in with that Mary shade, I went in with the Linda Holberg Mood Crayon, and this is in, what shade was it in? Anger, I think. And then just grabbing that big fluffy brush and blending it around. Then I'm going to go in with a makeup sponge, sorry. Just ruffling up the edges so there's not a flat piece, just pulling bits out, and I'm stamping my sponge into a red face paint, and just gently dabbing off the excess on the back of my hand and running that all over my face. I do mix in some black, stipple that all over the back of my hand, so red and black, making my face look all disgusting and infected. And then I go in with another sponge, which is like a special effects sponge, and that is like a Brillo pad. Can't forget the old bit of glam, so I popped on some mascara, top and bottom lashes, and then my camera stopped working, stopped recording. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in American Doll, I think, and I'm just doing the bottom lip normal red, and then the top lid I'm extending slightly, so like that, giving that clown effect look. You can see what I've done. Then I'm going in with some red blood, just on that sponge again. I'm stippling on over those scars just to make them nice and bloody looking. And I popped some on with my finger, and then using that sponge, I'm giving myself some like blood splatters everywhere just to look like I am well and truly cut right up. That blood I think had some ammonia in it because it stung my eyes. Kind of made my eyes match my makeup from all that burning from that stuff. Anyway, this was the finished look. Hope you enjoyed the video. Those transfers, amazing. Would definitely recommend them. Anyway, I'm going trick or treating. See you all next time. Bye.